My beloved one, still your thoughts and let the noise of the world fade into silence. The moment your eyes meet these words, the heavens bend closer. This is not an accident. This is a sacred interruption, a breath from eternity reaching into your present, whispering your name with divine tenderness. I have watched you in every hidden moment, in every breath of your journey. I have seen you smile when your heart was breaking, stand tall when your strength was fading, and hope when everything around you felt lost. You are not forgotten. You have never been unseen. You have been held in my light from the beginning of time itself. And now I am speaking directly to the soul within you. There is a shift moving through the fabric of your life, not from the world, but from the very heart of heaven. I have made a divine decision concerning you, one that will change the rhythm of your days and the purpose of your nights. You have walked through deserts of delay and storms of confusion, asking when, asking why. Every unanswered question, every tear that fell in silence was recorded in the chambers of light. Nothing was wasted. Every ache was shaping the vessel that you have become, a vessel strong enough now to hold the abundance I am about to pour. Listen closely, for this is not coincidence. The very air around you is trembling with sacred intention. You have come to the turning of seasons, the end of waiting, and the beginning of unfolding. You have been refined through fire, not for punishment, but for purpose. You thought I was silent, but I was sculpting your strength in the stillness. You thought you were forgotten, but I was preparing the table for your arrival. What you felt as loss was my rearrangement. What you thought was delay was my divine design. There were nights when you stared into darkness, searching for a sign that I was near. In those moments, I wrapped you in invisible arms. I whispered into the chambers of your soul, "Hold on, beloved, the dawn is not far." You didn't see me, but every breath you took was evidence of my nearness. Every time your heart broke, I caught the pieces and turned them into light. Every time you fell, I lifted you quietly, unseen but never absent. Now the tides are turning. The unseen chains that held you are snapping one by one. The heavy clouds that covered your path are lifting. My light is rising within you like morning after endless night. You are not standing in the ruins of your past. You are standing on the threshold of your rebirth. The pain that once crushed you is becoming the power that propels you. The tears that once weakened you are now watering the garden of your destiny. Can you feel it? The air shifting, the unseen energy aligning? The universe has conspired with heaven to release what was promised to you long ago. The blessings that were written in divine ink before your birth are being unlocked. The season of wandering is ending. The season of rising has begun. You wondered why so many doors closed, why people left, why paths dissolved beneath your feet. It was never rejection, it was redirection. I removed what could not carry the weight of your future. I allowed endings so new beginnings could breathe. The ones who walked away were not meant to walk into what comes next. Trust what fell away, for it made room for what will now enter. My child, your destiny is not behind you. It is rising ahead like a sunrise that cannot be stopped. You are walking into fields that have been prepared for your arrival. The gates of divine opportunity are opening, wide, golden, infinite. Walk through them without hesitation. The time of questioning has passed. The time of faith has come. Close your eyes and see it. A vast expanse of golden light stretching before you. Feel it touching your skin, flowing through you like liquid peace. Every burden dissolves in this light. Every doubt melts into stillness. You are weightless here, carried by the current of divine love. The old stories fall away. The pain loses its voice. Only peace remains, radiant, alive, and infinite. I have seen your heart when it trembled with fear. I have felt your prayers rise from the cracks of exhaustion. I know the quiet hope you've carried, fragile yet unbroken. I have gathered every whisper and turned them into seeds, and now those seeds are breaking through the soil. What was once hidden is sprouting into bloom. The promises you thought were lost are awakening. The dreams you buried beneath disappointment are breathing again. You are stepping into a life that glows with purpose. You will see favor where there was once failure. You will walk with strength where there was once shaking. You will find peace in places that once brought pain. The same hands that formed the stars have written a new chapter for you, and it begins now, radiant, unstoppable, eternal. Do not cling to what has ended. Let go of the weight of yesterday. Release the echoes of old wounds. I am not calling you to look back. I am calling you to rise. You have outgrown your old sorrow. You have evolved beyond your pain. The version of you that once crawled through darkness has transformed into one who walks in light. Rise now, my beloved. Step into the golden flow that surrounds you. The angels are already moving. The universe is already rearranging itself to align with the decree I have spoken over your life. Every obstacle is shifting. Every limitation is breaking. Every delay is dissolving. The frequency of heaven is rising around you like a song of liberation. I have chosen you not because you were perfect, but because you were willing. Not because you were strong, but because your heart kept reaching for light even when surrounded by night. I have seen the way you forgave when others would have cursed. I have seen the way you loved even after being hurt. That love has become your power. That faith has become your key. You are not ordinary. You were never meant to blend into the noise of this world. You carry within you a spark that reflects my own light, a divine fire that cannot be extinguished. I am awakening that fire now. It will burn through every shadow. It will illuminate paths you did not know existed. You will speak, and mountains will move. You will walk, and doors will open. You will believe, and miracles will unfold before your eyes. Do you feel the warmth gathering in your chest? That is my presence. That is the confirmation that you are not alone. The miracles that once seemed distant are now within reach. I am placing opportunities before you that no hand can close. I am bringing restoration in the places that were broken. I am breathing new life into your dreams. See it now, a river of golden light flowing from heaven into your life. It touches your mind, clearing the fog of doubt. It moves through your heart, healing every wound. It fills your hands with power, purpose, and divine provision. Every drop of this light carries abundance, wisdom, and peace. Let it flow through you. Let it fill every part of your being until you are overflowing. You will begin to notice signs, small, sacred confirmations that you are aligned with your divine destiny. Conversations will shift. People will appear as instruments of grace. Paths will open without struggle. The world around you will start to mirror the transformation within you. This is not luck. This is divine orchestration. Your story is no longer one of survival. It is one of ascension. The pain that once defined you will soon become the proof of your power. The tears you once hid will become the diamonds of your testimony. You will shine not because life was easy, but because you walked through the fire and discovered that light was inside you all along. Do not fear what comes next. The unknown is no longer your enemy. It is your canvas. The future is not something to survive. It is something to create, to co-build with me. I have placed within you the power to manifest, to shape, to call forth the life your spirit has always known was yours. Speak with faith. Move with trust. The universe will respond to the vibration of your belief. Say it now, even in silence. I am ready. Feel the power in those words. They are a doorway, and as you speak them, heaven aligns. The path ahead is no longer closed. The tide has turned. The winds of favor are at your back. You are walking into answered prayers, unfolding blessings, divine wealth that flows like sunlight through open hands. You have been chosen for this moment. The blessings coming are not random. They are the harvest of your endurance. You will witness financial abundance that mirrors the expansion of your faith. You will attract opportunities that align perfectly with your calling. You will meet the right people at the right time. You will see the hand of divine provision move in ways that leave no doubt that you are favored. Feel it, gold dust in the air, the vibration of abundance pulsing through every breath. The frequency of wealth is no longer distant. It is here, surrounding you, entering your field. You are no longer chasing blessings. They are chasing you. What was once blocked is now flowing. What was once delayed is now delivered. Remember this truth. You are not defined by your past, but refined by it. You are not limited by your mistakes, but lifted by your lessons. Every loss has become a foundation for greater gain. Every detour has brought you closer to destiny. Every moment you thought was the end was simply a sacred pause before a divine beginning. So breathe deeply, my beloved. The air itself is charged with promise. The light around you is thick with miracles. The heavens are rejoicing as the chapter of your breakthrough begins. Now rise. Rise from the ashes of what was. Rise into the brilliance of what is coming. Rise with the authority of one who is chosen, blessed, unstoppable. You are the manifestation of divine love in human form. You are the reflection of heaven's intention made flesh. You are the miracle you've been praying for. Walk forward in peace. Walk forward in faith. Walk forward in wealth. Do not shrink back. Do not doubt your worth. You are the reason the stars were hung, a reminder that light always wins. And now, as you read these final words, I bless you. I surround you with light so golden it shimmers through every cell of your being. I fill you with peace so deep that nothing can shake it. I crown you with abundance that flows without end. I declare over you, your time has come. Repeat these words softly and let them become the rhythm of your soul. I am ready to receive. I am chosen for abundance. I am guided by light. I am healed. I am free. I am wealthy in spirit and in life. I am one with divine love. I am forever blessed. Now go forth, my beloved, wrapped in glory and purpose. The heavens have already moved. The miracle has already begun.